try and get on top of some fish. It's gonna be pretty awesome. We've never been here before and the rapids look awesome. We're gonna try and go catch some fish. Let's go. We just made it out here and it is beautiful. I mean, it's just amazing and I'm pumped. I already caught a bluegill right when we got up here. My camera wasn't on, and it just looks amazing. I can't wait. I know we're gonna catch some fish. I just have a little white and silver rooster tail, and so far, I've had a lot of good experience with these. They're definitely my favorite lure. I'm just gonna wade out in the current and throw it in these little back pool kind of shaded eddies. Normally, you'll catch a fish like that.
Is it cold?
It is surprisingly icy for August. Current's pretty strong here. Okay, I'm gonna try and get up on this little island. It's pretty deep here. There we go. Come on.
Because they're in the shadows, but there's bass everywhere in here. I've seen them. There you go.
Oh, you see the ripple?
Dude, so
He came out. So the last spot was kind of a bust, and we're gonna keep going. We found an awesome pool in the very back of this little river, and it looks very cool. We're also gonna try and get some lily pads for the pond. Y'all keep following me. It's gonna be awesome. Let's go. Kind of doing a little off-road hiking here through the middle of nowhere. Now this is a real Hudson's fishing adventure. Here is that back pocket we were talking about, and look how beautiful it is. There's nobody even back there. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. We're in that back pool we were talking about. It was a little bit of a hike, and as you guys can see, there's nobody back here. Got some little rapids. Maybe we can try and catch some crawfish. It is going to be awesome. First cast in the new spot, I have my little B&W rod and reel combo and a little white and silver rooster tail on. Gotta flip it up. We thought was secret enough. And then behind the back pocket is this tiny little, like, crazy looking creek, like an even more secretive space. It's a big school of bluegill. Oh yeah, we caught another bluegill. There you go. I'm trying to catch this last.
All right, let's go.
Got him. Yo, that is a bigger bluegill. There is a little better bluegill. And catching a lot of these, we finally got into some fish, and I just caught the biggest bluegill of the day. This is the biggest fish of the day as well.
Alright, cool.
Okay, here we go. Let's get an official release on him.
You ready?
There he goes.
Let's go.
Right there. I attempted to end the day by trying to get some lily pads for the backyard bass pond, but it was a little bit harder than I thought. Ugh, these pads don't want to come out. We're here at the Lazy L&L Camp Grounds at the Guadalupe River, and it was an awesome, awesome day. Although we didn't catch that many fish, we did catch a few, and it was still a really cool adventure. Exploring some back lakes, exploring the Guadalupe River, and exploring some new tiny little creeks. We did catch a few bluegill, and I even caught 2 crawfish. It was a really awesome, fun day out at the Guadalupe at Lazy L&L Campground, and I can't wait to come back here again. Make sure you guys smash the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks, bye.